Welcome to Bamfordrose, and it's forum chat time. This week it's an announcement about the open day which we had planned for July the 3rd, and a quick update on our sales portal. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to put back the open day from July the 3rd to Saturday the 21st of August. I'm doing this because I don't want to hold the event with one arm tied behind my back, with any hindrance from what restrictions there are might be applied. And if we just wait a few weeks, then we're going to have a much better day for it. Thank you to all those that have notified me by email that you were attending on July the 3rd. I've replied to you on email, and I hope you can all make the 21st of August. We'll have a good selection of cars here, some for sale, some just to view. We'll lay on some hospitality, and we can have a good chat around Astons. So if you could register your interest for Saturday the 21st, that would be hugely appreciated. Linked in with the open day, and we do expect to have some cars here for sale, is our sales portal. As of today, we're up to 1,600 members, because as those 1,600 have identified, it's a real great place and a great way to buy a car. It's just, you have to be brave and you have to be transparent to sell your car in that way. And that's the cycle that really does need to be broken. Because whilst all of those 1,600 do want to buy a car totally eyes wide open, how many of that 1,600 will perhaps buy a car, use it for a few years, and then sell it harbouring a problem? There are very few people that want to honestly sell a car, which is why the sales portal is a bit slow to start getting off the ground. Hopefully it will get there one day with a plentiful supply of cars for sale. And to make it easier to get cars advertised on there, I'm going to change the rules slightly. Previously I'd said that for a car to be eligible to be listed on that sales portal, then we needed the car here to do a pre-purchase inspection. It could be listed with pictures of the car and pictures of the pre-purchase inspection. Over the last couple of months, as that forum has evolved, then people have been putting requests out for certain cars, which is great to see. So if you have a car and you see someone is putting out a request for the car that you have that you want to sell, then it's perfectly okay for you and the prospective buyer to hook up, have a chat about the car, share some details, and then bring it here at the end of that for a pre-purchase inspection, rather than doing it the other way, which is to bring it here for the pre-purchase inspection before listing it. If you have any other ideas on how to get this sales portal working, then all those ideas will be greatly received, and we can turn it into one of the best places to acquire an Aston from. Look forward to seeing you on the sales portal, and look forward to seeing you on our open day on Saturday the 21st of August. Before we go, just helps us if you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. Click us a like, and we'll see you on next week's forum chat.